Unit 7. Survival Tips. Listening 7. Read and listen.
What do you know about jungles? Have you ever been in the jungle? Jungles are very beautiful places, but they can be dangerous as well. You should be well prepared when you go to the jungle. Remember these important tips in case you get lost. They can help you and others in your group survive. 1. Find a hill. Climb a hill so that you can see over the top of the trees. When you've found a hill, look to see if there is a river. You can follow the river out of the jungle to safety. 2. Make a safe camp. Find a dry place, but don't camp very near trees. It isn't safe to camp near trees because trees and branches can sometimes fall. 3. Keep insects away. Wear strong insect repellent to keep dangerous insects away. Always look in your shoes before you put them on. Some insects like to hide in shoes, and they will bite or sting you. 4. Drink lots of clean water. It's hot in the jungle, so it's important to drink enough water. Have you run out of water? Boil some water from a river to make it clean and safe to drink. 5. Try to think happy thoughts. It's very important to stay cheerful. Think about how you will feel when you are safe with your family again. Try not to worry too much. 6. Look up at the sky. The sun and the stars can help you to find your way out of the jungle. Remember these tips, and your trip to the jungle will be a lot safer.